We've done our small part again for children in the Tibetan region. We just completed our second donation through Tashi Thangka. You know what? I once lived in the Tibetan region of China for 6 months, and I saw firsthand how hard life can be for kids there, especially in remote villages where getting around is difficult. Most parents rely on modest income from making handmade crafts and similar work to support their families. Very few households have insurance, and many simply can't afford it. In that situation, a health problem can easily overwhelm a family that's already stretched thin. That's something I witnessed myself. After I came back from the Tibetan region, I couldn't settle down for a long time. I kept thinking about what I could do for the children there, and a seed of an idea began to grow. After many conversations with friends I had stayed with in the Tibetan region, we reached out to a group of local artisans who make accessories. We started buying handcrafted pieces from them and launched TashiThangka.com, a website focused on accessories from the Tibetan region. From the very first day Tashi Thangka was founded, we made a promise. For every order on the site, we donate $1 to a children's health charity in the Tibetan region. Today we received our second donation certificate, and we're truly happy about it. Although it's just a modest $101, roughly 720 renminbi, it's already a big step forward compared with the first certificate. In this video, we want to express our heartfelt respect to everyone who has bought Tibetan accessories from our site. It's because of your support that the seed buried in my heart was able to sprout and take root. We'll keep at it, and we hope the third certificate will show a larger amount so we can provide more help for children's health in the Tibetan region. If you've made it this far, thank you. We'll make the next certificate bigger. There's a link below this video to our donation page, where you can see what we're doing. We'll keep updating our donation history there.